Yes, just address us, please. Very important.
Oti!
Where is my number?
Oti!
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We came here in the morning with our clan, the Honorable Maina Njenga. Maina Njenga was accompanied by about 6 lawyers, including myself, Professor Gachagua, and we had our whole about 7 lawyers, Paul Mwangi. And Ndegwa, his lawyer, was with him in Nakuru yesterday. What has happened is that while asking why have been summoned here, the DCI said there were fresh charges that were to be preferred against Maina Njenga. They have just charged him afresh, and as they were charging him, we were insisting that he be accompanied by his lawyers to court. Unfortunately, they were able to sneak in and sneak our clan out of the room where we were. As we speak, we're told he was being taken to Nakuru courts. We have also been told they are headed towards Kiambu courts in a very clandestine manner. We're very embarrassed. And I must say this as the last Minister for Justice of the Republic of Kenya. We were also with another Minister for Justice, Honorable Anataka, that our DCI and our police can behave in such an unprofessional manner to be able to steal a client from his lawyers and disappear with him. We want to say today that Maina Njenga is a Kenyan. They might call him a former Mungiki leader, but he is a reformed leader who is a bishop of the Hope Church, and he has every right to be treated according to the provisions of our constitution. If anything happens to Maina Njenga, we want to hold William Ruto and his deputy Gachagua, because after the Mukami burial, they have been looking for Maina Njenga. And we will hold them and the Kenya Kwanza government responsible for anything that happens to Maina Njenga. To the DCI, we want to urge him not to be used for settling of political scores. What is happening is political intimidation, and Maina has been looked for since he accompanied Right Honorable Raila Odinga to bury the late Mukami in Jambini. That is his main problem. And I also want to add give room for my colleagues to also say something. Thank you, members of the press. I wanted to add much to what Mado has said. I want to be honest. An attempt to force Maina to join Kenya Kwanza. As a matter of fact, he was being told yesterday by some officers that if he joined Kenya Kwanza, then the whole thing would be dropped. And what we know is that the fight is on the mountain. Somebody wants to take the mountain by all means. And in that case, we know very well that Maina Njenga is not going to cross over. They are trying to force him to cross over so that he can denounce Azimio. But Maina is adamant, and Maina has told them, we can take it to court. This is all politics. This is all politics. Because even if you read the charges, these charges take us back to Moi era, where opponents of the government were charged fictitiously. But we are optimistic that the courts will release him on bail, and we shall continue. Shame on them. Whoever is actually trying to do this, you know that his days are numbered. You can never stay in power forever. You cannot intimidate your own subjects forever. You cannot want to rule people by force. You cannot also at the same time want to coerce your own population so that they can go your direction. I will hand over now to my colleague here, Mr.
Then you tell us the charges.
The charges are that he is being charged with belonging to Mugeki, and they put the name Mugeki in quotes, meaning that they are also not certain if he is accused of harassment, and this is the harassment he also saw at the ORPP harassing Jubilee. Let me say this, and I really say this, it is actually a non-slot on Kikuyus. A non-slot on Kikuyus, and they are fearful of Kikuyus coming together and speaking in one voice. You will not stop. You lied to us for 4 years. They went to Kuuwa because you lied to them in propaganda. They have moved out of Kuuwa. It will take Maina, Njenga and many of us to put them together. We have these colleagues in Azimio, and the threat that the fear they have is of Azimio remaining as a unit and more people coming to join it. Those charges are really no charges, and the way they even took him from us was through a lie and snatching him from us in the most unprofessional manner. But hii sheria ambao wanaitumia ni ile tulipitia sisi wenyewe. We were part of the committee, myself and Wamaru, that did that law back in the 10th parliament. There is no way they find him guilty under that law. They have to look for other charges. Kwa hivyo hii ni harassment, na watu ambao wanajua Maina na ni marafiki wa Maina na wanampenda, hii ni kazi lazima tuifanye kisiasa. Yes, hii mambo ya sheria, hii ni mambo ya siasa. Ni kama ile tu ya Jubilee, ni mambo ya siasa. Unaona mabarua zinatumwa usiku, watu wanaokotwa usiku. We are back to very dangerous darkness. They lied to him. We were consulting on how should this be done, and they told him that come, the DCI wants to consult you. The DCI wanted to talk to him and find a word as to whether to charge him or not. But instead of allowing us in, they just dropped a metal gate and blocked the lawyers from him, and they snatched him. The most unconstitutional manner for doing this.
What about the other charges about the guns and the pump?
They are just, and they don't even relate to him. Those charges were in another place. Kamera ni hivi na wewe bwana. Nadhani kuangalia. There is an anticipatory board. They went to Nakuru. They failed to allow him to take a plea because they did not feel that is enough harassment. So you can actually see a systematic way. When we got here, there was a charge sheet that had been prepared in Nakuru. They came and prepared another charge sheet when we were still waiting there. They told him to sign to it, but he has a right to remain silent until he is in a proper court of law. So they are really just harassing him, just like they are going to start harassing many Kenyans. Kwa hivyo, weni tayari, wakati wa kiimla umerudi. Hakuna kitu tumekuwa kule, hata maji hawana, hakuna tu ni kuongea tu kutusukua. Hakuna kitu tumekuwa tukifanya tatu tuingie kule. Walikuwa wanaongea wao wenyewe wakipiga simu hapa na pale, wakifikiria watamtoa kivipi kutoka kwetu. This is a perfect case of weaponizing of the DCI. A weaponized institution. Kama unataka kujua ni hii. It is not what we were talking about state capture. This is now a weapon to harass Kenyans.
Sio mambo ya Maina peke yake, ni mambo ya Wakenya. Haki inastahili kutendewa Mkenya yeyote, awe Maina, awe Otieno, awe Lang'at ama awe nani. Lakini this discriminating approach, watu wana complain that hii ndio ilikuwa shida ya Kenya. Inaonekana mahali tunaenda ndio baya zaidi, na huu ni ule mjadala wa shareholders na shareholders. Kama wewe sio shareholder, unaweza teswa, unaweza fanyiwa chochote. Na hii ndio kitu tunasema, tusipochunga tunaingia kwa shida kubwa zaidi, kwa sababu sisi kile tunasema ni haki ionekane tu imetendeka. Hakuna haja ya kushika mtu na umwambie vile shida ni gani. Mpeleka kutini, anakuwa ndizi na koti, anajipeleka hapa, na uwezi sema kile kinafanyika. Sasa tumeambiwa amepelekwa Kenya. Kwa hivyo hata sisi hatujui ameenda wapi, lakini shida ile kubwa ni mwelekeo ambao tunachukua ni mwelekeo wa miaka 30 iliyopita, ama ni mwelekeo wa kwenda mbele, kwa sababu this profiling, hiyo ndio shida. Everybody who appears to be having a dissenting voice anakuwa profiled as a shareholder, na ndio hii debate ya shareholder need to go to UN. It's not a debate. It's not a debate which can be dealt with here, because you are actually talking about profiling. If you are aligned to this side, wewe mambo yako wewe, you are toasted, unapatiwa vitu vikubwa, unafanya nini? If you are not say to be aligned to that side, you are a shareholder and anything can be done to you. That's why we are saying this business of shareholder and shareholder, we must take it to UN. We want to be told where the shareholders are supposed to be. Kama ni tutoe nchi yetu na tuwekewe hema tukae huko, because what is coming here is that people have been profiled and people have been branded. And for the coming 5-10 years, there is a category of community or people in this country who remain condemned. We want to insist, and I want to insist on what Maina said the other day. We are making papers, we are going to go to UN. We want a clear global interpretation. What is this shareholder and shareholder policy of radical government? Because that is what is leading to that. Some people can be abused, some people can be tortured, but there are others who are supposed to enjoy the crib and to be pampered because they are shareholders. That is the basis of the problem in this republic, because that's a defined policy, shareholder na shareholder. Kama wewe si shareholder, unastahili kulala kwako macho ikiwa imefunguka. If you are a shareholder, this is your country.
Mheshimiwa, who do you think is behind the rules of Maina Njenga?
I'm not talking about Maina Njenga myself. I'm talking about shareholders and non-shareholders, my brother. Because you see, tomorrow it will be you. You'll be asking, who do you think is behind the walls of this report? Tomorrow, I will not know. But the principle of shareholder and non-shareholder can cut across anybody, so long as you are not known to be a shareholder with a particular share percentage, then anything can happen to you. You can be killed. Our lives are in danger simply because you're not a shareholder. If you are a reporter and you're not a shareholder, again you suffer the same. But if you are a reporter and you are a shareholder, you are safe. So it is the issue of shareholding and non-shareholding, and the fight is much bigger, because what watasanywa hapa in the name of shareholding and non-shareholding. That is the problem, because that's a philosophy. When that comes in, the only rescue there can only be United Nations.
There is no way this kind of an activity or this kind of thing can happen without the highest office of the land knowing. William Samoei Gachagua must answer to this kind of harassment that has come back within 8 months of their being in office. I said it before and I want to say it again. There is a real fear of Kikuyus being together with Raila. And that is why these onslaughts, you'll see them on any section of the Kikuyu that is leaning towards Maina. They will try and take away Jubilee, they will try and take away Maina Njenga, they will try and take away any other person who seems that can grow the strength of Azimio, because Azimio, it is the voice of the voiceless. And we want to tell them this will not cow us away. The way they have handled Maina Njenga inside here, you can tell they are also fearful. If they had a genuine case against him, they would have processed him like any other person is processed. But they have already treated him like a criminal, not like a suspect. And we were there as lawyers, we were prepared to present him to the next place that they wanted, but they chose to snatch him and take away from us. We also told them clearly, the confrontation that was outside here was caused by them. They are the ones who are causing the apprehension, they are the ones inciting the public. They are the ones raising the temperatures in this country. and I don't think they really want to take us through that. Kwa hivyo ni vizuri wachunge sana. Na nashukuru.
Who is behind?
Behind this thing is when you have said that you are in charge of a country and this kind of things happen, you are looking at an institution like this that is so weaponized. It is not independent. The person responsible is the president himself. Kama ule mnasema ni president mwenye aliingia kwa hiyo ofisi na huyo mwingine wake. Hao wawili ndio wanatakana kujibu wa Kenya. Don't pretend. Do not pretend. This is a political thing. It's not a criminal thing.